Christina with Terrain Retractable Outdoor Products, and I'd like to show you our 6-inch fishing pliers. Perfect for freshwater fishing, these corrosion-resistant pliers come packaged with a medium retractable gear tether to keep them within reach and safely out of the water. The gear tether offers 6 ounces of retraction force and a 36-inch Kevlar cord. It attaches to your vest, backpack, or belt loop with a carabiner or strap. The pliers have stainless steel jaws and replaceable tungsten carbide cutters. They also come with a 5-year service policy, while the retractable gear tether carries a lifetime service policy. If you're looking for a heavier duty pair of pliers, don't forget our Pro Sheath. The only pliers sheath with an internal retractable tether. Every Terrain retractable gear tether is made in the USA at our facility in California and has been tested to over 1 million pulls. Secure your gear with Terrain.